Have you figured out who owns this gorgeous dachshund? If you haven't got it yet, here are a few clues. This animal-loving champion owner is also a classical musician. He's a sports star who loves speed, but he still takes time to bring his dog with him wherever he can, making this pup the king of the paddock, or perhaps even a friendly face during a pit stop. Are you on track with your guesses? It's Formula 1 star Charles Leclerc and his dachshund Leo. Charles and Leo have travelled across the world to many races, which sounds pretty cool, Lucy, doesn't it?
Meet vet nurse Amy, her nephew Rory and their pet, Rudy the Maine Coon kitten and their adopted tortoise, Jeffrey.
So Jeffrey is 24.
Me and Jeffrey are the same age.
24 years?
Yeah.
So how long can tortoises live up to?
I work with ones in their hundreds.
He could outlive the two of you.
He could, yeah.
And how old are you, Rory?
7.
So you're going to take over?
Probably going to take a Rudy as well, if I can.
If you can. He wants to steal
He's
it.
taking everything. And what is the difference between a tortoise and a turtle?
Turtles mostly stay in the water for most of their life, and tortoises mostly live on land.
Ah, so that's the difference.
That's the difference. Their shell is fully attached to them. It's kind of like their spine, and their organs and everything are right underneath the shell.
Right.
And
I was just going to say,
husbandry
where
right.
do they sleep then? Or where does he sleep?
What they're usually referred to are tortoise tables. We had to put a lid on it because this little fella kept trying to get in with Jeffrey the whole time.
Let's talk about this, yeah.
So this is Rudy. He's a Maine Coon.
How old is he?
He's only 5 months old.
So what size would Rudy grow to?
They can kind of grow up to around 10 kilos. Currently he's almost 4.
So
Quite
over
big boy.
double of
Yeah.
what we're seeing right now.
Yeah.
That's a big cat.
Yeah. So yeah, he just wants to be with Jeffrey.
So they're besties?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sounds like a plot for a film.
It does.
Yeah.
Rudy and his best mate, Jeffrey.
Tortoise and cat
Off they go in adventure together.
coming to a cinema near you.
Yeah, that's it.
When he was younger, his husbandry wasn't fantastic, so he is a bit misshapen, and he also has a problem with his beak. Typically, a tortoise's shell should be smooth and kind of flatter. Abnormalities like this usually come from not having the right UV lights and having a poor diet. He has a dent in his beak and a bit of an underbite. When we first got him, it was almost up to his eye. So it just means he finds picking things up a little bit harder than your average tortoise. Tortoises, they can absorb water through their bum. So it's another way of keeping them hydrated, is to give them regular baths.
Does he?
Yeah, he hates his baths, but he has to have them.
How do I put it in?
Oh, here we go.
He's opening his mouth.
Oh,
The tongue! I didn't expect the
I don't know
tongue.
why I jumped here, sorry. Nearly lost a finger there.
He lost the blueberry.
There's a lot of dropping the food, but he gets there eventually.
Yeah. Well, Amy and Rory, thank you so much for bringing Rudy and Jeffrey in to see us